Hey, I'm spektorbaal and welcome to my channel, and I have a pair of scissors in my hands. Now, why do I have a pair of scissors in my hands? Well, I got something for my studio to kind of lighten things up, so I am opening it. Can you guess what it is? It's something from Amazon Prime. Let's see what it is. And it's Daybetter light strips. Now, I've seen people have light strips before, neon and all this stuff, and I thought, well, you know what? Since I started a Twitch channel, and since I think this would be interesting when we're talking about occult stuff, that I could change the lights to put it all in the mood, you know? I thought this would be a good idea. So we're gonna put this up together. So sorry if everything kind of goes in, out, blurry, because it's trying to focus on my face and I can't just keep looking at the camera, you know, so forgive me for that. So I thought this box would be bigger. I didn't think it's gonna be so small. Oh man, this is like plastic shit. It smells nasty, you know. Yeah, I wish you could smell it. It really smells like shit. Okay, so we got that, and then we have another strip right here. Yep. We have a plug. I'm pretty sure we know what this is. And we have another plug into the wall. And a colorful remote control. Oh man, this looks cool. So let's do it. I'm probably going to need another one of these, but it makes everything look cooler, doesn't it? Thank you for helping me put this up. I will, you know, mess around with this, and I will get another set. I think it will. I would probably need two to make it go around my studio, but it makes everything a lot more interesting. It's a freaking disco in here. Anyway, so I will see you in the next video.